पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। Ninth chapter sentences. Before that, quickly recap because 15 days gap is big gap. So this is very important. Harihi, Hari, Harayah. Harim, Hari, Harin. Harina, Haraye, Harehe, Harehe. Harau, He, Hare. Okay. Then we saw some dhatus. Dahati, Jwalati, Tapati. 3 dhatus we saw. And very, very important topic, Kartari changing into Karmani. Kartari Karmani in Bhagavad Gita, 60% portion, not in Bhagavad Gita, in whole literature, the Karmani Prayog is there more and more. Kartari is there, active voice is there, but passive voice is there more and more. So we must note that. Okay, these 2 lines, the red color, Anjaneya Adahat, Kapayah Adahan. Red color means as per, according to subject, the verb is changing. Okay, Meenakshi ji had that doubt. Okay. Karmani Prayog, see, these are very basic concept. Karta, Tritiya, Karma, Prathama, Kriyapad, Karma ke Anusar. This is in Karmani. Kartari, Karta, Prathama, Karma, Dvitiya, Kriyapad, Karta ke Anusar. Okay, and all dhatus, they will decline in Atmanepad. Sevate, sevete, sevante, sevase, sevete, sevadve, seve, sevavahe, sevamahe. Then what is the difference? Ya will come. Karmani Prayog, ya will come. Sevyate, va, ya, vya, sevyate. Okay. And we saw some dhatus. Okay, one thing I come to know that we did not see all dhatus. But if you have book, you might have got only 3 more dhatus we have to see. Quickly we'll see that. First one, Tapati, Charati. Charati means chalana. Charati means to walk. To walk. Charana, ghumna, to roam around also. Charati, to walk. Okay, next one is Vrusha Varshati. See, that Varsha was the noun. Varsha Varshati, like rain, rains. Varsha Varshati. So this is noun, that was noun, and this is verb. Vrusha is the dhatu. Vrusha. Vrusha is the dhatu. Okay. Vrusha is the dhatu and Varshati. Varshati is the Kriyapad. Okay. Vrusha, Varshati. How this Vrusha became Varsha, we'll see later. Rain. Okay. Yes. And next was Gai Gayati. Gai Gayati. To sing. Gayati, to sing. This was the only thing we did not cover. Otherwise, we covered everything. Gai Gayati means to sing. Like Ramaha Gayati, Ramaha Gayanti. Ramau Gayatah. Gaya. Gai becomes Gayati. How it becomes? It requires some sutras. Gai Gayati. Okay. So now we will see the sentences. To sing. Okay. So past tense we are going to apply here. What are the rules of past tense? We put before consonant. We put before vowels, and then vruddhi happens. Okay. चलो, राम,
We are trying to use it for karmani. For that you are saying no, no.
no,
You
now
written
full
the
sentence.
dhatu. Okay.
I am not getting you. Once again you say.
Sir, you wrote now, no?
Ha.
Varshati. So
That is
varshayati we
kartari.
have to write.
No, 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 varshati.
कर्मणि के लिए,
कर्मणि
के लिए वर्षयति will come.
No, कर्मणि के लिए वर्षयति won't come. What did we see in कर्मणि? वर्ष्यते. See, very good.
Varshyate.
Whatever you don't know, you ask. वृष, वृष्यते. Because मूल धातु is वृष. They will come वृष्यते. Okay, मूल धातु you add here and decline.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. चलो ठीक है. Now sentence. You can also say wherever you have some difficulty. I will say. Yeah. राम गेंद से खेला. राम गेंद से खेला. Past tense. रामः गेंद से. So गेंद is instrument. In instrument we do third case. रामः कंदुकेन सह अक्रीडत्. रामः कंदुकेन सह अक्रीडत्. First sentence. हाफ. यति दंड के द्वारा चला. दंड के द्वारा, दंड के साथ. द्वारा मीन्स इंस्ट्रूमेंट. यति ही दंडेन सह अचलत. यति ही दंडेन सह अचलत. कवि ने गाया. कवि ही अगायत. कवि ही अगायत. आग ने, एनी डिफिकल्टी यू कैन आस्क. आग ने नगर को जलाया. अग्नि ही नगरम अदहत. अग्नि ही नगरम अदहत. सूर्य ने किरणों से लोक को तपाया. सूर्य ने किरणों से लोक को तपाया. रवि ही मरीचि भी. Now why Marichi Vihi? Because that Kirana is not one Kiran, one ray. If one ray was there, we would have said Marichina, right? Marichina we have because one ray. But here many rays, so we'll see Hari Bhihi. So we have to say Marichi Bhihi. Okay, Hari Bhihi, Marichi Bhihi. So what will be the sentence? हाँ, सूर्य मरीचि भी. बिकॉज बहुत सारे किरण. इंस्ट्रूमेंट, दैट इज द इंस्ट्रूमेंट टू हिट द वर्ल्ड. लोकम अतपत. मरीचि भी लोकम अतपत. ओके. आग कब जली? अग्नि ही कदा अज्वलत. अग्नि ही कदा अज्वलत. नेक्स्ट. सन्यासी ने वहां तप किया. यति ही तत्र अतपत. अतपत. All these sentences can be converted into passive voice, but we will not see that now. राजा कवि के साथ घूमा. नृपः और भूपति ही. इन दिस चैप्टर भूपति की. भूपति ही कविना सह. बिकॉज सह केम, सो थर्ड केस. भूपति ही कविना सह अचरत. 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 घूमा. ओके. राजा भूपति के साथ. राजा के साथ सेनापति यहाँ आया. राजा ब्रैकेट में भूपति दिया है, मीन्स यू हैव टू यूज भूपति. भूपति ही सेनापति ना सह अत्र आगच्छत्, भूपतिः सेनापतिना सह अत्र आगच्छत्। जटा से सन्यासी ज्ञात होता है। तो जटा, वन जटा कैनॉट बी देयर, सो जटाभिः, हरिभिः जटा, जटाभिः, जटाभिः यतिः ज्ञायते। ओके,
फिर से बोलिए इसको जरा, क्या बोला आपने? जटा भी।
हाँ, जटाभिः, व्हाई जटाभिः? बिकॉज इट इज मेनी जटा।
अच्छा अच्छा,
हाँ, एंड द रूल वाज इन इंडिकेटर वी डू थर्ड केस। हाँ, दैट वाज द रूल। चिन्ह से व्यक्ति या वस्तु का बोध होता है तो चिन्ह में तृतीया होती है। सो जटाभिः यतिः ज्ञायते, ज्ञायते मीन्स जानाति, ज्ञा धातु ही देयर, ज्ञायते जानाति, ज्ञायते। ओके, ज्ञायते, हाउ विल यू राइट? ज्ञायते, जटाभिः,
ज्ञानायते।
हाँ, यस, बट इट इज ज्ञ इन संस्कृत। इन हिंदी वी से ज्ञ,
ज्ञायते।
हाँ, ज्ञायते। मीनाक्षी जी, राइट इट डाउन, ज्ञायते। ओके, यस, नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस। कवि ने किस प्रकार गाया? कवि ही कथम अगायत। किस प्रकार मीन्स हाउ, कथम। ओके, केन प्रकारेण, नो नीड टू राइट। कवि ही कथम अगायत, किस प्रकार गाया। यति मुनि के साथ हरि के पास गया। ब्यूटीफुल सेंटेंस। यति ही मुनिना सह, मुनि के साथ, कौन? यति, यति ही मुनिना सह हरिम समीपम अगच्छत्। पास, समीप, निकषा, we saw that. Okay, samaya, nikasha, you can say. हरिम निकषा, हरिम समया अगच्छत्। पहाड़ के ऊपर ऊपर सूर्य तपा। पहाड़ के ऊपर, ऊपर ऊपर मीन्स ऊपरी ऊपरी। सो व्हेन वी यूज ऊपरी, अधः, सेकंड केस। सो गिरिम ऊपरी ऊपरी सूर्यः अतपत्। गिरिम ऊपरी ऊपरी सूर्यः अतपत्। राम बंदरों के साथ खेला। ब्यूटीफुल सेंटेंस। रामः, राम बंदरों के साथ, रामः। नाउ वन monkey is not there, many are there. If one was there, we would have said Ramah kapinasah. Kapi means monkey. If many means Ramah kapibhihi sah. Ramah kapibhihi, because haribhihi. That plural, after this guru shabda we will see dual plural also, because we have to cover that also, but slowly. रामः कपिभिः सह अक्रीडत्। मुनि राजा के साथ बैठा। मुनि ही भूपतिना सह असीदत्। असीदत्, मुनि ही भूपतिना सह, के साथ, टुगेदर, विथ, बैठा, असीदत्। मेघ बरसा। मेघः अवर्षत्। वर्ष वर्षति, बरसना, अवर्षत्, बरसा, पास्ट। कवि और मुनि ने पुस्तकें लिखी। कवि ही मुनि ही च पुस्तकानि अलिखताम। बिकॉज कवि ही एंड मुनि ही, two subjects are there, dual. That is why अलिखताम, If Kavi, हाँ,
अच्छा क्या है, कैसे बोला आपने? अलिखित या क्या है? अलिखित,
alikhat, why it will not come? Because two subjects are there. Who wrote
ओके
Kavi and Muni? So together,
Okay.
alikhatam. राजा और सेनापति ने लोक की रक्षा की. अगेन टू सब्जेक्ट, राजा सेनापति. नृपः और भूपति ही सेनापति ही च लोकम अरक्षताम. Meenakshi ji, if you don't understand, ask this, because if one karta is there, then arakshat. Two subjects, arakshatam. Okay. Next, understood sentence. Bhupati hi senapati hi cha lokam arakshatam. Okay. यति ने सूर्य को नमस्कार किया. यति ही सूर्यम और रविम. Here in this chapter, रविम अनमत. यति ही सूर्यम अनमत. ओके. लास्ट सेंटेंस, बंदर बालकों के साथ खेला. कपि ही बालकैहि सह. Why बालकैहि? Because बालकेन प्रथमा, बालकैहि बालकैहि प्लूरल तृतीया विभक्ति. रामः रामम रामेण, plural is ramaihi, because we did not see plural, because it will be overwhelming if we see plural also at a time. But now slowly we have to introduce to that. So kapihi balakaihi sah. How will you write balakaihi sah? Like ramaihi balakaihi. So balakaihi. balakaihi. Because it is plural of Rama Shabda. Ramaihi balakaihi. Any doubt if you have, you can ask. And you can make this also. Karmani. Kapina balakaha kridyante.
Sir, those two dots you put, no? Visarga whatever. You pronounce it as ha also, you pronounce it as he also.
Yeah,
Ramaha also we put two dots. So now balikai he.
Very good. In the beginning we saw this rule, okay? So Ramah Shabda, what is
we
before
say ha, no?
Before Visarga, what is there in this ma? A is there.
Okay.
So we say ha. And now when it is Ramaha Shabda, so what is there preceding? A. So we say Ramaha. When it is Hari Shabda and Visarga, what is preceding? E. So we say Hari Hi. Hari. Now you come to Ramahi Shabda. Okay, Ramahi Shabda. So here I is there, I. So A plus E becomes I or A. A plus E, it becomes A. So at the end here I is not there, E is there. Pay attention once again. Ramaihi, this A Shabda, you first of all you take, it becomes A plus E becomes A. Means that in I, E is there. When I taught you this on finger, so A and E, it becomes I. So E is at the end. That is why we say Ramaihi, Harihi, Ramaihi, because in I, E is there at the end.
Okay.
Okay. So
that's why Balakaihi.
Balakaihi, yes, Balakaihi. Rushi bhihi, Muni bhihi, like that. Okay. Now we shall enter into 9th chapter. Okay. See, all sentences we can do Karmani Prayog also. like yati, any sentence. Megha barsa, meghena avarshate, like that. But we will not see that because karmani prayog again it will come properly. Here just they introduced you. Okay. Now the last shabda we are here seeing. After that means last shabda in the sense we have to remember this word. Last shabda. Like first we saw Rama shabda that we have to by heart. Rama shabda. Then Hari shabda, and fourth one is Guru shabda. If you know these four minimum shabdas, you can do wonders in Sanskrit. Minimum four we must know. Otherwise, we can't do anything. And not only ekvachan, all. So this we will see ekvachan, and thereafter we'll start seeing actually the whole shabda. And I think we can manage that. We'll try our best. Okay, this is, you can write down chapter number 9 separately on new page. Abhyasa 9. Okay. So what all things are going to come in this chapter? In this chapter, first of all, Guru Shabda is going to come. Abhyasa 9. Guru Shabda. Abhyas 9. So you see now how many types, so many shabdas are there. Guru is Rasva Ukaranta Shabda. Guru, Rasva Ukaranta. Guru Shabda is going to come. Next, Vidhiling. Vidhiling. What is that? When it comes, we'll see. Vidhiling. Like we should do, like Vidhi. Enjoin. Okay. We should do this, we should do that. Chahiye, like karna chahiye in simple language. Okay, उसने पढ़ाई करना चाहिए. Like he should study, he should run, he should walk. Like should करना चाहिए अर्थ में. That is called. It is one kind of आज्ञा also, but moreover it is चाहिए अर्थ. We'll see when it comes. And then Tritiya Vibhakti, some more usages they are going to come. Tritiya Vibhakti, some more usages. We saw in instrument, we do third case. Saha, Sakam, Sardham, Samam, we do third case. In the indicator, we do third case. And in the reason why we are doing this, in that reason, we do third case. This we saw in previous chapter. Here some more things are going to come related to third case. And one sandhi is going to come. Anuswara Sandhi, but I have taught you in the beginning. Once again, I will just touch it and I will go ahead. What is this Anuswara Sandhi? If consonant is following, then it will become dot. When vowel is following, it will mix with each other. And when nothing is there, it will remain as it is. This is Anuswara Sandhi. Okay, so now let us first of all understand the Guru Shabda. Guru Shabda. Okay, Guru Shabda. How to decline? So this is basic fourth, very important Shabda. Guru. So Guru who? See, the only difference you see, instead of E, we have to add U. U. Like Harihi Guruhu. And here Hari Ri became Dirgha. Here Guru will become Dirgha. Dirgha means forward. You have to add Guruhu. And instead of, only one difference is there. In Hari, ya comes. In Guru, va comes. Guravaha. Because there har ya, here Gurava. Va ya. This is the difference. Okay.
Guru.
So this is I am adding in this only gurum, and then this is, it will become dirgha. So while reading we should clarify that hari guruhu guru guravah gurum guru gurun. Hari shabda is very important. If you know hari, pay attention here also. Dirgha, I am highlighting it. So gurun, harin, it was said. Okay, harina, guruna. Guruna. That guru bhihi we'll see later. Haraye. So instead of ya, va is there, we'll say gurave. Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. So Namaha comes, that is why fourth case, Gurave. Half of the India they say Guruve Namaha. It is Gurave Namaha. Okay. Guroho. Guroho. Because if you remember that Guna, U becomes O. E becomes A. That is why Harehe. Guru, U becomes O. That is why Guroho. Guroho. And Harav, Gurav. Harav, Gurav. Hey Guru. Hare A was there. It here. Guru. A in Guru O. This is the change only. Guruhu, Guru, Guravaha. Gurum, Guru, Gurun. Guruna, Gurave, Guroho, Guroho, Gurav, He Guru. Okay. So I will decline one more shabda. Vayuhu. Vayuhu. Vayu. Vayavaha. Vayum. Vayu. Vayun. Vayuna. Vayave. Vayoho. Vayoho. Vayav. He Vayo. Little bit difficulty level will increase now. We are in 9th chapter. Okay. Like Bhanu Shabda is there. Bhanuhu, Bhanu, Bhanavah. Bhanum, Bhanu, Bhanun. Bhanuna, Bhanave. Bhanoho, Bhanoho. Bhanav, He Bhano. Okay, I will not ask you now. You practice once writing some other thing, and then next class I will ask you, because it is little bit difficult, like Bhano, but not that much. If you know Guru Shabda, you can add Pashu. Pashuhu, Pashu, Pashavaha. Pashum, Pashu, Pashun. Pashuna. Pashave. Gurave, Pashave. Guroho, Pashoho. Pashoho, Gurav, Pashav, He Guru, He Pasho, like that. Okay. Chalo, now see some words. Shabdaha. Right? Any no doubt here. That is why we say Gurave Namaha. Tasmai Shri. First Shabda is Bhanu. Bhanuhu. Bhanu means sun. So when we do sun salutations, we say Bhanave Namaha. Why Bhanave? Because with Namaha, Chaturthi Vibhakti comes. Bhanuhu. Next is Induhu. Induhu. Induhu means moon. Moon. New words. Bhanuhu generally known, but Indu Shabda is not popular. Shatruhu is very, very popular. Shatruhu. Shatruhu means enemy. Enemy. Shatruhu. So Shatruhu, Shatru, Shatravah, Shatrum, Shatru, Shatrun, Shatruna, Shatrave, Shatroho, Shatroho, He Shatrau, He Shatro. It comes in Bhagavad Gita many times. Ukaranta Shabda we must know. Shatruhu. Next is Shishuhu. Shishuhu means a small baby. Baby means Shishu. Shishuhu. Shishau. Mata. Matuhu Shishau Pritihi Asti. Like mother has love on his baby. Matuhu. Okay. Shishuhu means balak. Vayuhu means wind. So 5 you decline today. Rest 5 we'll see sometimes else in next class. If you want to decline now, you can decline. If you do mistake, I can correct it. It's not difficult. Bhanu Shabda you take and decline like Hari Guru Shabda. Chalo, show me brevity. In next class, we will write down all Ekvachan, Bahuvachan, Dvivachan. Ekvachan we know, but Bahuvachan, Dvivachan that we need now. Okay, the homework is to decline these 5 shabdas like this, so that you familiarize. Yes. Agrawal ji, you want to decline? Yes, Agrawal ji.
Actually, Bhanua, ऐसे आएगा क्या?
Yeah, that I want from you. Like Bhanuhu, Bhanu, Bhanavah. जैसे Guru become Guravah, Bhanavah. Okay. Gurum, Bhanum, Guru, Bhanu. You see Guru Shabda and decline like Bhanu. Guruna, Bhanuna, Gurave, Bhanave, Guroho, Bhanoho, Guroho, Bhanoho, Gurau, Bhanau, He Guru, He Bhanu. Same way you have to decline here. See Guru Shabda, decline all 5 Shabdas. We are not seeing many because little bit difficult. Okay. So Indu, moon, Shatruhu, enemy, Shishuhu, baby, Vayuhu, wind. Moving ahead. Okay. So far we have seen present tense, lat lakar, lot, ajnartha, order, request. Then we saw lut, future tense, and then we saw last in previous class, previous chapter, lung. Lung means past tense. And now the last, these 5 lakaras are in basic we see. Actually, there are 10 lakaras. Okay, but basic we see 5. Lat, lot, lat, lot, lut, lung, vidhiling. So today we are going to see vidhiling. Vidhiling means chahiye. Like भारत भ्रष्टाचार रहित देश बनना चाहिए. उसने राम की पूजा करनी चाहिए, चाहिए चाहिए, लाइक यू विश somebody should do this, should do this, should do this. There it comes vidhiling. So we will decline one shabda and then we'll go ahead. Vidhiling. Vidhiling means the meaning is, in which meaning it comes? चाहिए अर्थ में, चाहिए, चाहिए मीन्स उसने, मनुष्य ने नाम स्मरण करना चाहिए। मनुष्य हरिम स्मरेत, स्मृ स्मरति and स्मरेत, like he should chant Lord's name that way. Chalo, now we'll make one small chart. Okay, understood what is going on? Vidhiling. Okay. Yes. Chalo. So which dhatu we are going to decline? Always bhu dhatu, because from that we are coming. Bhu dhatu. So what will be vidhiling? Bhavet. Bhavet. Like I would say, गायत्री मंत्रः, गायत्री मंत्रः सर्वेषां मंत्रः भवेत्, मतलब गायत्री मंत्र सबका मंत्र होना चाहिए। गायत्री मंत्रः भवेत्, होना चाहिए। भू भवति मीन्स होना and भवेत् मीन्स होना चाहिए। भवेत्, it is easy also, भवेताम, just like we had agachat, agacchatam or abhavatam, here bhavetam, only a adds, bhavetam, bhaveyuhu. See, you have to pay more attention now. Bhaveyuhu, like balakaha सैनिकाहा भवेयुहु, मतलब बालक सैनिक बने। बालकाहा सैनिकाः भवेत्, सैनिकान् भवेत्, बालक सैनिक बने। भवेत्, भवेताम, भवेयुः. We'll see the rest in next class. Next class means after this. So it is vidhiling. Vidhiling means चाहिए अर्थ, चाहिए। लॉकडाउन नहीं लगना चाहिए। निर्बंधः तत्र न भवेत्, निर्बंधः. Okay, we'll complete the rest part.